Hello everybody, how are you all? Today we are going to study expressing the future. Ready? Shall we start? Okay. In English language, future time can be expressed in many ways. Don't think that only future tense is used to express future. And let us start with future tense first. We use it for expressing future. First we use will or shall. We all know about it. Examples I have given you, and that play method which we used to do in the class. The same way I have written one example. We shall meet in the evening. Shall we meet in the evening? Yes, we shall meet in the evening. No, we shall not meet in the evening. You all know very well that where do we use shall? We use shall in I and we. And where do we use will? We use will for second and third person. Now, second and third persons are who? You, he, she, it, they. Now, I have made one examples with all these things. Let us see how. You will go to his house. He will show me his assignment. She will come to my house. They will prepare the assembly. Okay. Now, here are the rules of the same thing which you were doing in the class. Positive statements. How do we have positive statements? Starts with a noun or a subject plus verb, will or shall, and the verb will be in the present form, like we shall sing, I shall sing, he will sing, they will sing. Now, question form will be how? The helping verb will, shall will take its first place, and the subject will take the second place. And then the present form of verb. That means the subject is becoming a sandwich between helping verb and the main verb. The helping verb is will or shall, and the main verb is present tense. Like, shall I sing? Will you sing? Will she sing? Will Mohan sing? In the same way, negative sentences, how they are used? Subject plus helping verb plus not plus the tense, the verb in the present tense form. Like, I shall not sing. You will not sing. He will not sing. So, this is the rule of expressing future. You know very well that we have used shall or will to express future. Now, in this lesson, we are going to learn something more than this. Now, what is more than this is coming forward. Let me show you. Now, what have I written on the heading? Usage of other tenses to express future. That means what? We can use other tenses also to express future. We don't need only future tense to express future. We can also take help of present tense, present continuous tense to express the future. Now, you will be thinking, how is it possible? But it is possible. You will note that you are using present tense and you are talking about future. For example, my papa is going to Calcutta tonight. My husband is returning from Calcutta tonight. So, what am I saying? My husband is returning. Is returning is what? Is present tense. Returning, continuous form of tense. Present continuous. So, see, I have used present continuous form But I am talking about night. Has the night yet come? No. The night will come, no? So see, is going, is returning can be expressed in future tense. Okay, can be used to express future. Now see the example. The IPL begins next week. So when is it going to begin? It's going to begin in the next week. But what have I used? Which verb have I used? I have used present tense. Begins. Begins is present tense, but I am making reference to the future. So don't think that present tense is used to show only the action that is going on in the present time. We can also use it to express future. Go to the third example. What are you doing next week? Present continuous. I am not attending class tomorrow. Again, I am talking about tomorrow, but what am I using? I am not attending. Am not attending is which tense? Present continuous tense. Salman Khan's new movie releases today. Is today Friday? No, today is not Friday. So Salman Khan's new movie releases today. So releases today. Today is today. But we are talking about future. We are referring to the future. When we will go to see the movie, we are talking about that time. So my birthday falls in the month of November. When does your birthday fall? Think and just give an example of your birthday. My birthday falls in the month of November. I am talking about November. November is yet to come. So, future. So, you can see that these examples are showing simple present tense, present continuous tense, but we are talking about future plans. We are making future arrangements. Is that clear to all of you? Now we come to usage of going to. Now going to is also used to refer future. We are going to buy a car next week. Sorry, by mistake there is to buy, that by will be cut, okay, you cut it. We are going to buy a car next week. How is the syntax? The syntax is subject plus going to plus verb in the present tense form, then the object, the car, and the future time is next week. You see, subject is we, going to, usage of continuous form, but that is only going to. Main verb is what? To buy. To buy. Then a new car is present tense form. Then the object. In the present tense form, then the object. To buy is the present tense form of verb. Then the car is object and the future time. Next week. Note again, what have you used? Have you used future tense to express future? No, you have not used future tense to express future. You have used present tense to express future. Now let me show you some more examples. Like we are going to read a new lesson tomorrow. I am talking about tomorrow, but I am using present form, present continuous form, that is are going to read. I am going to write a novel next month. I am talking about next month. I am making future plans, but I am using present form. They are going to attend the seminar. Again the same thing. To attend is the verb, are going is the usage of present continuous form. So with this, we come to an end of expressing future. Thank you so much.